Hi guys, we've got a very special car here today. We've got a Mercedes SLS AMG. And what makes this car very special, it has one of the last naturally aspirated V8 engines that Merc produced. And you can just imagine how insane this car sounds. And then another cool aspect of this car, it has gold windows that pays tribute to the old school 300 SL. So this is the masterpiece, the 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8. And currently, as you guys can see, it's very filthy in here, but we're going to clean it up nicely by detailing the engine and giving it a good steam clean. I think anyone who is a real car fanatic would know this SLS is something pretty spectacular. Okay, so as you can see, Lucky is currently busy steam cleaning the interior, and then after that he'll be using the Dion leather cleaner to get his seats looking spotless. So now that the car has been decontaminated and the engine and interior has been done, we are now busy with a single stage paint correction, and this will just ensure that the paint is extra glossy. This SLS, this is an absolute iconic car and we had a blast working on it. I think it looks better than ever and it's now ready to tear up the streets once again. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.